Hello, how are you? This is June 9, 2022. This is an analysis for gold. So I'm going to start from the monthly time frame. And on the monthly, we can see that we are retesting previous structure and we have bullish structure on gold. So we have resistance here multiple times. Okay, we have resistance one more time. We had the break and we had the retest here, and we could expect a bullish movement now from gold on the monthly time frame, or basically on this month, right? So we can have the continuation on the weekly. The way this translates to the weekly, we can see the levels or the resistance way more clear. So what happened once price came back again to this level? Price broke below, couldn't stay trading below this level, and the next weekly candle closed right back again using this level as support. Okay, we stay above this time using this level as support. We retest, and I expect this week to be the continuation here. Okay, on the daily time frame, we already have bullish structure, plus we are trading above daily support. Let me mark the structure here for you. We have a low, we have a high, we have a higher low, and we have a higher high, and we have another higher low, and I expect this movement to create the new higher high. Plus, you can see, we're trading above daily support. Here we created support, then it became resistance. We broke above on the 4 hour, or we created support again, support, and support one more time. On my Instagram, I did this analysis already when price was just coming back again to this level, and I took 2 buy entries here, and well, they play out. On the 4 hour, we can see this. We can see that we have a big range. Okay, we can do this, and we can notice that we have here a huge range. Okay, and right now we're trading on the middle of the range. Plus, we also have a 4 hour level of support and resistance that we can mark off here. We can mark the level here as the middle of the range. So the middle of the range is also a big level of support and resistance on the 4 hour time frame, which right now we are trading above. So basically on the monthly, weekly, and daily, we are bullish on gold. We have bullish structure on the monthly, we have bullish structure on the daily, and on the weekly we are expecting now a bullish movement, right? On the intraday time frames, 4 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour, we're gonna see the setups we could try to benefit from, right? So what are the setups right now that I see possible, maybe for London session or New York session? There's 2 setups. If we can mark also another daily level, we could mark this here as a daily level, and we could see how price have been reacting to the level, right? We have used it 1, 2, and 3 times as resistance. Okay, so this is gonna help us for the second setup we may see, right? Remember, besides the monthly, weekly, and daily, on the 4 hour right now we have again bullish structure. So the best setup I see right now is price coming back again to this 4 hour level, use it as support, and try to ride price to 1868. For this setup we have many confluences. We have 1850, psychological level. You can see here how these levels get respected multiple times. We're trading above the level right now after having bullish 4-hour structure. We also have the support, the 4-hour support, okay? We also have a 61% Fibonacci, 4-hour time frame Fibonacci. Plus we have here the low of pre-Asia. We can see how price use these highs and lows of Asia and pre-Asia to base most of the times for the, we could call it like the final setup, right? For example, here I took some buys here on gold, and my second entry for the buys was here after breaking and retesting Asia highs. The next day I didn't enter any trade here just because I was expecting price to come here, but it didn't give me any chance to get in after price came here. So you can see on the 30 minute, 15 minute, even 10-minute time frame, we didn't have no entry. So I couldn't benefit from that move, even though I was expecting it as a setup. So here you have pre-Asia's low, where we have the 1850 psychological level plus support plus Fibonacci. So there's a bunch of confluences. Now the second setup I would be willing to take is if we just break above this level, use it as support, because we have resistance, resistance, resistance. Use it as support and ride it to 1868 will be the closest target we could have. That's basically the analysis for today. Let's see what happens. Yeah, and let's have a good trading week.